If your knees have been aching, stiff, or just plain sore, especially when you climb stairs, get up from a chair, or walk first thing in the morning, you are not alone. And this is not just something you have to live with. Today, I am sharing 5 exercises that can ease knee pain. No floor work, no equipment, just a chair. They take about 6 minutes, and exercise number 1 is the one almost nobody talks about, even though most physical therapists recommend it. Let's get started right now with exercise number 5. Every exercise today can be done standing near a chair for support or seated, whichever feels comfortable. Go at your own pace, and if something hurts beyond a gentle stretch, stop and move to the next one. You know your body best. Let's begin. Exercise number 5, seated hamstring stretch. Let's start with a stretch, because before we strengthen anything, we need to loosen the muscles pulling on your knee right now. Sit at the front edge of your chair. Extend your right leg out straight, heel resting on the floor, toes pointing toward the ceiling. Sit tall and gently lean forward from your hips until you feel a stretch in the back of your thigh. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Tight hamstrings are one of the biggest hidden causes of knee pain. When the back of your thigh is tight, it constantly pulls on your knee joint, putting pressure on it all day long, even when you are just sitting or standing still. This stretch does not need to be intense. A gentle, steady pull is all you need. Breathe slowly and let your muscles relax into it. Good. That loosened up the back of your knee. Now, exercise 4 targets the muscles on the other side, and this one surprises a lot of people. Exercise number 4, calf raise. Stand behind your chair and hold the back lightly, just for balance. Slowly rise up onto your toes as high as comfortable. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. Then lower your heels back down, slowly and in control. You might wonder why a calf exercise is on a knee pain list. Your calf muscles attach just below the back of your knee. When they are tight or weak, they pull on the knee joint and create pain, especially when walking, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods. Strong calves also absorb shock every time your foot hits the ground, so your knee does not take that impact alone. Do 12 slow calf raises. Up slowly, hold, down slowly, that is the rhythm. 2 down. Exercise 3 looks almost too easy, but it is doing more for your knees than most people realize. Exercise number 3, seated quad set. Sit back in your chair and extend one leg out straight in front of you. Now simply tighten the muscle on top of your thigh, your quad, and gently press the back of your knee down toward the floor. Hold the squeeze for 5 seconds, then relax. Switch sides. That is the whole exercise, and yes, it really is that simple. Your quad muscle is the main shock absorber for your knee. Every time you walk, climb a stair, or stand up from a chair, your quad protects your knee from taking the full force of that movement. When your quads are weak, your knee pays the price. This exercise rebuilds that protection gently, safely, and from your chair. 10 reps on each leg. Nice and slow. I want to say something here. If you have been dealing with knee pain for months or even years, I know it can feel like it will never get better. I hear you. But these exercises work. Not overnight, but they work. Stay consistent, give it 3 weeks. Your knees can feel better than they do right now. I truly believe that. 2 more to go. Exercise 2 builds right on top of what we just did, and you will feel it working immediately. Exercise number 2, seated straight leg raise. Same position, seated, one leg extended. This time, instead of just squeezing the muscle, slowly lift that leg about 10 to 12 inches off the floor. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower it back down, slowly. The word to remember here is slowly. Most people lift their leg quickly and drop it right back down. That is not what we are doing. The slow lowering phase is where your quad works hardest, and that is exactly where the strengthening happens. Do 10 reps on each side. If you feel a gentle burn in the front of your thigh, good. That means it is working. One more. And I saved the best for last. Exercise 1 is the most important move on this entire list, and I am going to tell you exactly why. Exercise number 1, sit to stand. Here we go. Exercise number 1, the sit to stand. Sit at the front edge of your chair, feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or hold them straight out in front of you. Lean slightly forward from your hips and slowly push through your heels to stand all the way up. Then, just as slowly, lower yourself back down into the seat. Controlled the whole way. This is the single most important exercise for knee pain in people over 60. Every time you stand up from a chair, get off the toilet, climb a step, or get in and out of a car, this is the exact movement your body is doing. If this movement is weak or painful, everything in your daily life becomes harder. Practicing this exercise regularly builds strength in your quads, your glutes, and all the muscles that support your knee at the exact angle where most knee pain happens. Start with 8 slow repetitions. As you get stronger over the coming weeks, work up to 12, then 15. And if it feels hard today, that is okay. That just means your body needed this. Keep coming back to it. You just finished all 5 exercises. And I want you to be proud of that because you showed up for yourself today. That matters. Here is a quick recap. Seated hamstring stretch, calf raise, seated quad set, seated straight leg raise, sit to stand, the most important one. Do this routine every other day and give it 3 full weeks before you judge the results. Most people start feeling a real difference within the first 2 weeks. Now, here is something important. Exercise is only one part of the picture when it comes to knee pain. What you eat every day has a direct impact on how much inflammation you have in your joints. In our next video, I am going to walk you through the 5 foods that fight joint inflammation and the 3 foods that make knee pain worse, even if you think they are healthy. You're going to want to see that one. And if this video helped you today, or if you think it might help someone you know, please share and hit that subscribe button right now. Every single week, I put out gentle, practical exercise videos made specifically for women over 60. No complicated routines, no equipment, no getting on the floor, just real exercises that work for your body right where you are. Subscribing means you will never miss a video, and it only takes 1 second. It would mean the world to me. I am Grace. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Take good care of those knees, and I will see you in the next one.